Imagine cruising down a quiet country road, the wind brushing past your face, birds chirping in the background, and behind you, not just any trailer, but your own mini vintage home on wheels. Welcome to the wild and whimsical world of the 2026 Vintage Camper Tricycle RV. This isn't just transportation, it's liberation. And what you're about to discover might just change how you think about travel, home, and freedom. At first glance, it's like something from a retro postcard: curved wooden panels, shiny chrome edges, pastel colors that scream nostalgia, and a design that blends the old-school charm of a 1950s diner with the soul of an open-road wanderer. But here's the twist: it's not built for cars or trucks. It's built to be pulled by a sturdy, electric-assisted tricycle. That's right, 3 wheels, 0 gas, all adventure. People stop and stare. Whether you're parked at a beachside, nestled between pine trees in a forest, or even just rolling through town, this camper turns heads. Why? Because it's more than a vehicle. It's a story. It's your story. Every dent, every sticker on the back, every mile on the tires, it's a chapter of the life you're choosing to write outside the box. Now let's talk about what's inside this tiny time machine. Push open the charming little wooden door and step into a world where comfort meets creativity. The interior, though compact, is brilliantly efficient. We're talking a cozy convertible bed that folds into a couch, tiny vintage-style shelves holding books, a lantern, maybe a little Bluetooth speaker for some Sinatra or lo-fi beats. There's a fold-out table where you can eat, write, or even edit your next vlog. And yes, there's solar power to keep your essentials running, and a mini fridge to keep your snacks chilled. But here's the best part: it's affordable. Like, really affordable. In a world where rent prices are exploding and tiny homes cost a fortune, this little camper gives you a place to live, travel, and breathe freely without breaking the bank. Why pay thousands a month for a space you don't even love, when you can own this rolling retro gem for a fraction of that? This isn't just a camper. It's an escape from the ordinary. It's a solution for adventurers, dreamers, and even those hit hardest by housing costs. And it gets better, because the 2026 version has been upgraded with lightweight materials and an electric assist trike system. That means even if you're not a hardcore cyclist, you can cruise smoothly up hills, glide across city streets, or find your peace in a far-off field without breaking a sweat. No license? No problem. In many regions, this trike setup doesn't even require one. It's freedom without the paperwork. Just pack up and go. You don't need a campground reservation. You don't need a giant vehicle. All you need is your sense of wonder, a sense of direction, or maybe even the desire to get lost, and your vintage trike camper. It fits in places regular RVs can't even dream of. Alleyways, bike trails, nature paths. It's the ultimate stealth camper with a style that's anything but silent. So whether you're someone escaping the 9-to-5 grind, a digital nomad seeking soul over speed, or just someone who wants a taste of retro adventure without selling your soul to the gas pump, this is it. This is the future wrapped in the look of the past. The 2026 Vintage Camper Tricycle RV is calling. And if you're still watching, that means you hear it too. So, what are you waiting for? Forget the hotel rooms, forget the boring routine. Unplug. Unlock. And roll out your new life, one pedal at a time.